Welcome to another episode of the BRG Speed Spa Spotlight. Today we've got a real treat. Daniel Johnson's Forever Car, a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Daniel bought his Forever Car with an LS1 motor and 4L6 transmission already installed, but little less was done. Daniel bought the car a few months ago, and in his research had heard some good words about BRG, decided to bring his Forever Car in for us to do some updates. The upgrades that Daniel was looking for, of course, more horsepower. And when you've got go, you gotta have low. So he was looking to upgrade the brakes to a full wheelwood disc brake front and rear. Then, to get better punch out of the hole, he wanted to upgrade the differential and get better gearing. Now, all the updates don't mean a thing unless you can show the results. Daniel's car up on the dyno, getting a final dyno tune done by our fuel injection dyno tuner, Matthew Osterman. We will show a close-up of the dyno graph in just a bit. Leave it to say, we got some good results, and Daniel will definitely agree. Our first upgrade is a set of Headman Hustler headers. Check out what Chad has to say. So how come you like these Headmans so much?
Well, one, they're made here in America with good quality parts, and they give you more options for tube size, length. They fit every time. They use the extra thick on the flanges. You see how thick that flange is?
No shit. Yeah. Look at the welds.
Yeah, they really go through and do a really amazing job.
Well, back in the day, I mean, Headman headers,
They are. They're
horrible.
Their street line that is made in Mexico is terrible.
Yeah. Oop, going the extra step.
Have to.
Make sure they don't get scratched. Keep them pretty. Thanks, Chad. Ceramic coated header looks pretty good down in the engine compartment. We spec out the headers with a ball and socket collector so we get a positive seal at the exhaust system. Then we go with an all mandrel bent exhaust system all the way to tip to tail. Those Hustler headers, they look pretty darn good down there in that engine compartment. All ceramic coated and everything. Brings it upright and tight. And now that we've got go, we've got to give it whoa. So we upgrade the stock brakes to a full set of wheelwood disc brakes, 6-pot in the front, 4-pot in the rear. Then we've got to get the car off the line. So we go with a quick performance custom fit Ford 9-inch differential with a set of 373 gears. Gives us great acceleration off the line, but the car has great cruising capabilities.
You know,
What makes it sound like that is you put the cutouts in it, right?
yeah. That's what he said too, put some cutouts in it.
He said, yeah, that would have been a good choice.
Go ahead.
like how it's coming along.
Never mind that smell. That's gonna be the headers.
Yeah, burning it.
The last part that we needed to change out was the air cleaner. As you can see, the air cleaner that the car came in with, it's sucking all the hot air right off the radiator. We don't want to preheat the air before it goes into the motor. Having a properly designed cold air intake system can have huge gains in horsepower. The RotoFab cold air intake system gave us a good supply of ambient cool air. Definitely a big help getting the good HP numbers and putting a big smile on Dan's face when he test drove the car.
Yeah, but I'm definitely pleased with the work.
And drive the car some more.
I'm gonna drive it tomorrow, and then I'm gonna drive it like maybe 1 or 2 more days. But it's going back in the garage. Yeah. Oh no, these tires. I told you these tires is done with. These tires these might not make it through the weekend.
You're make it home.
Yeah, these tires for sure. I done put some money in this thing. These tires. Okay, it changes up.
How do you like the power?
I love it. I was off punch, in drive, not even in low gear, so I was good. I love it. I love it. How many horses did it come out to? Let me see the dyno test. This the before and after?
That's before and after.
All right, so
that's after we put the headers on, and this is just tuning.
Okay.
Okay. We don't know what you were when you brought it in because you had the screwed up drive shaft.
Okay, got you. So the max power now, this is the numbers now, right?
Yes.
Okay. So the base is 350. But tell me how to read it. Yeah.
Okay. This is your before right here.
Okay.
These 2 lines here. Came in with the headers and all that on it, no tuning.
No tuning.
Was 304.
Okay, got you.
With the tuning, we picked up 36 more horsepower.
Okay.
Okay, and it went from here to this line here.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So it was a good. I'm real happy with how the thing responded to tuning.
I was feeling what? I don't even understand how somebody was 1,000 horsepower in. He's like, that's enough for me.
Who's talking that kind of shit?
Nah, them Hellcats. Them Hellcats be having 1,000.
It's possible.
Okay.
But not with a stock motor.
Okay.
So I called Nathan. He said that binary editor is the way to go, but there's going to be a payback.
Oh yeah, I need some music. I definitely need some music.
Can I say you're somewhat happy?
Oh yeah, I'm definitely pleased for sure. What? Thank you. Yeah, y'all did that.
It's a good project.
Yeah, it was. I feel the difference. Like I feel the difference because I drove it when I bought it in Fresno, and I drove it out here, so I was heavy on the gas anyway, coming out here or whatever. But I feel the difference for sure. That rear end is nasty. I like that rear end is nasty.
Now it'll be interesting to know what the RPM is going down the freeway with that transmission.
Okay.
So let me know what RPM and what
is riding in the ride
per hour.
Okay. All right.
And then once you make your final decision on the tire or the wheels,
yeah,
we'll go ahead and get some prices and stuff.
Yeah. I'll call you. I'll call you sometime. If not this week, the beginning of next week.
Need to thank Daniel for picking BRG to put together his forever car. We feel quite honored. And Daniel, he seems to be pretty happy with the results. This is not easy work. It takes a special person like Chad Hammer. With his years of working and modifying the first-gen Camaros, he knows what to do, what parts are needed to get these kind of results. We also have a big thank you for Matthew for doing the HP tune on this LS motor. All the work done goes towards that big BRG Speed Spa smile that Daniel had when he came in from his test drive. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something. You all have a good day. Be safe out there.